In this video, let's see how to configure the notification center in the admin portal. Click on the notification bell icon in the navigation bar. In the notification center, click on the settings icon. Click on the drop-down menu for email digest frequency. Select one of the options from the drop-down menu. In the activity section, check the box beside each activity you want to be notified of. You can choose notifications, which is on the notification center, or by email, or both. In the Documents section, click the Notifications checkbox under the type of document, and if you want to be notified of complete or incomplete documents. Click the Email checkbox if you want to be notified by email. You will be notified based on the frequency you selected under Email Digest. In the Invoices section, select the checkbox to be notified of all invoices that are Enrollzy generated. In the SMS section, click the checkbox for SMS notifications. These are all incoming text messages. Click the Save button to save the changes. Click on each section to see the notifications. In the Activity section, click on View Timeline to see the enrollee's timeline. Select Dismiss to remove the notification from the notification center. In the Documents section, click the View button to go to the document page and view that enrollee's document. On incomplete eSign document notifications, click the Send Reminder button to send an email to the account holder to sign the document. A green notice will pop up showing the email reminder was sent. In the SMS section, click Respond next to an SMS message to respond to the message. Click Dismiss on an SMS message to remove it from the notification center.